Human car sounds. What? We hit 50,000! Oh, we hit 50,000 subscribers! Holy crap! Whoa, that went 0 to 100 real quick! Real quick! Guys, we just hit 50,000 subscribers. No, sorry, we've hit more than 50,000 subscribers right now. And that just escalated so much. Just last year I was saying that I think I was around 47,000 subscribers, and I was a little bit disappointed in myself not getting there at the end of the year in 2019, and to see us getting to 50,000 subscribers, and it's just the second month in, I'm so happy right now, so happy. And I just want to say thank you so much to you guys at home who are, you know, watching my videos constantly, commenting on all of them, subscribing, liking, sharing all the videos. I just want to say thank you so much, everyone. And because of this, obviously you've read the title of this video, so the first thing that I will be giving away is the Human Car Sound / Project Lynn t-shirt that we have at our storefront. And I will also be doing a Project Lynn photo frame signed by me. Now, if you want to enter to win this, all you gotta do is be a subscriber, and if you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button, and the next thing you gotta do is comment down this video, and a random person will be drawn for the t-shirt. And for the photo with the signature on it, the comment that gets the most likes, I will send that out as well. It's a milestone that I had, and we've accomplished that, and now actually we can do this. Mind the other goals. 50,000 goodbye. And I just dropped my texter, jeez. 50,000 goodbye. And hello, 100,000 subscribers. Now, I don't know when we will get that. Obviously, it would be cool if we could hit it by the end of this year, or maybe next year, but whenever that may be, I will be ready to get it, and I'm going to go for it. But at the end of the day, it's not always about the subscriber count. It's about enjoying what I do, and hopefully you guys enjoy it too. So I just want to say again, thank you so much. Thank you so much once again, ladies and gentlemen, for watching my videos. I know I've tried to expand in content, not just doing car sounds with the vlogs and Project Lynn and, you know, feature cars and all that, but whatever you're here to watch on my channel, thank you again. I'm gonna end the video here today. See you all at 100,000 subscribers.
day.